Good afternoon, teacher. I will talk about the going green. My name is Diego Vega Moreno, and we all know what we should be doing. For the first question, when I'm at home, I always disconnect my cell charger and appliances from the power. For the second question, when I do shopping, if I reuse plastic bags, and when I go to the supermarket, I take a reusable cloth bags. For the third question, when I get up to brush my teeth, I don't leaving the faucet running when I brush my teeth. For the fourth question, all energy efficient light bulbs I use at home are low consumption to save energy. For the fifth question, I don't have a solar heating at home because it's a really expensive of buy. For the sixth question, I always use bottled water at home so as not to generate so much waste of plastic bottles. For the seventh question, I don't use styrofoam cup at home except when I have family parties, but the use is a little. For the eighth question, I don't separate the household waste because my family doesn't have those customs. For the ninth question, no, I'm not a vegan, so I have never tried vegan food. For the tenth question, if it worries me because our air that we inhale is worse day by day and it's alarming for our health. We will see the consequences in the future and not many people see that. So I think we should have more environmental awareness and start with change.